Debray Rasinges II in Moscow after failed drone attack. In a dramatic turn of events near Moscow, Russian air defences successfully thwarted an attempted drone attack of Ukrainian origin on a Monday morning. However, what was intended as a preventative measure to safeguard the capital led to an unintended consequence. Falling debris from the intercepted drone caused injuries to 2 individuals, highlighting the potential collateral damage even in successful defensive actions. Moscow Governor Andrei Voroboyov conveyed the aftermath of the incident through telegram, revealing that the debris had descended in the Istra district, situated to the northwest of the Russian metropolis. The incident unfolded amidst escalating tensions between Ukraine and Russia. Over the weekend, a series of drone attacks originating from Ukrainian territory were reported across Russia, including one striking the capital city of Moscow. Responding to these security threats, Moscow's Vnukovo Airport temporarily suspended flights as a precautionary measure, underlining the need for vigilance and safety in the midst of geopolitical turmoil. Ukraine explores ship insurance in the Black Sea amid grain deal collapse. In the wake of the collapse of the UN-brokered grain initiative, Ukraine is embarking on a creative endeavour to ensure the security of merchant vessels navigating the Black Sea. The disintegration of the grain deal, in which Russia's withdrawal played a pivotal role, prompted Ukraine to consider innovative solutions to safeguard shipping operations. In response, Ukrainian authorities are contemplating the establishment of an international insurance pool to provide comprehensive coverage for merchant vessels operating in the Black Sea region. Alexander Hybin, an advisor to the economy minister, revealed that this groundbreaking approach aims to leverage the power of the reinsurance market, transforming a nominal $1 billion into a substantial $5 billion in insurance coverage. The initiative involves cooperation between the government, international institutions, and other governments. The ambitious goal is to bolster confidence among ship owners in navigating Ukrainian waters, despite concerns about the Black Sea's security dynamics. Collaborating with prominent international insurance entities such as Lloyd's and Marsh McLennan, this initiative is designed to counterbalance the threats posed by the Russian naval presence and ensure the safety of maritime operations in the region. The proposal signifies Ukraine's resilience in the face of challenges as it seeks to restore stability and security to its maritime corridors. Russia files lawsuit against anti-war billionaire Andrei Melnichenko. A legal battle with significant geopolitical undertones has emerged as the Russian Prosecutor General's office initiates legal proceedings against Andrei Melnichenko, a billionaire entrepreneur who has voiced opposition to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The lawsuit targets both Melnichenko and 2 of his companies, though specific details remain shrouded in secrecy, adding an air of intrigue to the unfolding situation. Central to the legal dispute is the ownership of Cybeco, a Siberian energy company acquired by Melnichenko 5 years ago. While the lawsuit's precise allegations have not been fully disclosed, documents circulating on a Telegram channel suggest that the state seeks to reclaim ownership of Cybeco, citing alleged corruption in the original acquisition deal. Despite his once close relationship with Russian President Vladimir Putin, Melnichenko has emerged as a vocal critic of the war in Ukraine. The billionaire entrepreneur, who is estimated to be worth $13 billion, has been subject to sanctions by both the European Union and the United States. These legal proceedings underscore the complex intersections between economic interests, political affiliations, and the legal ramifications of expressing dissent in a volatile geopolitical landscape. Moscow Governor Andrei Voroboyov conveyed the aftermath of the incident through telegram, revealing that the debris had descended in the Istra district, situated to the northwest of the Russian metropolis.